Have you ever finished a meal and immediately felt like your stomach was doing somersaults? Maybe you're familiar with that uncomfortable bloated feeling or the sensation that your digestive system is working overtime just to keep up. If this sounds like you, it might be time to introduce a powerful, natural remedy into your daily routine. Papaya. This vibrant tropical fruit isn't just a delicious snack. It's a true digestive superhero that can help transform the way you feel after eating. Seriously, papaya is no joke when it comes to supporting your gut health. It's not just another fruit to add to your grocery list. It's a game changer for anyone who struggles with digestive discomfort, sluggishness, or even those random aches and pains that seem to pop up out of nowhere. Let's break down exactly why papaya deserves a spot in your kitchen, and how it can help you feel lighter, more energetic, and pain-free, naturally. First off, papaya isn't just a tasty fruit. It's loaded with a special enzyme called papain. This enzyme is the secret weapon that makes papaya so effective for digestion. Papain acts like a pair of scissors, breaking down tough proteins in your food into smaller, more manageable pieces. This means your stomach doesn't have to work as hard, and you're less likely to experience that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after a big meal. Think of papain as your digestive system's best friend. It helps your body process proteins from foods like meat, dairy, and beans, making them easier to absorb and less likely to cause bloating or discomfort. If you've ever felt weighed down after a protein-rich meal, papaya could be the simple solution you've been searching for. Translation: when you add papaya to your diet, you'll likely notice that you feel lighter, less bloated, and more comfortable after eating. No more post-meal sluggishness or that dreaded food baby feeling. Instead, you'll have more energy to do the things you love, whether that's going for a walk, hitting the gym, or just enjoying time with friends and family. But the benefits of papaya don't stop at digestion. This fruit is also packed with dietary fiber, which is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber acts like a gentle broom, sweeping waste and toxins out of your body and helping to prevent constipation. If you've ever felt stuck or sluggish, adding more fiber to your diet can make a world of difference. And papaya is an easy, delicious way to do just that. Eating papaya regularly can help regulate your bowel movements, reduce bloating, and keep your gut happy. Plus, the natural sweetness of papaya makes it a satisfying snack that won't leave you reaching for sugary processed foods. When your digestion is on track, you'll notice the difference in your overall energy levels and mood. No more feeling weighed down or tired after meals. Instead, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just enjoying some time outdoors. But wait, there's even more to love about papaya. This fruit is absolutely bursting with essential vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamins A and C. These nutrients are crucial for supporting your immune system, helping your body fight off infections, and keeping your skin, eyes, and tissues healthy. Just one serving of papaya can provide more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, making it a powerful ally during cold and flu season. Got aches or cramps? Whether you're dealing with sore muscles after a tough workout or those annoying period cramps that just won't quit, papaya has your back. Papaya contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help soothe pain and reduce swelling throughout your body. The combination of papain, vitamin C, and other antioxidants works together to calm inflammation, making papaya a great choice for anyone dealing with chronic pain, arthritis, or even just the occasional headache or muscle soreness. It's like nature's chill pill, in fruit form. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter painkillers, try adding more papaya to your diet and see if you notice a difference in how you feel. Many people find that their aches and pains become less frequent and less intense when they make papaya a regular part of their routine. The best part? Papaya is incredibly versatile and easy to enjoy. You can add fresh papaya to your morning smoothie for a tropical twist, toss it into salads for a burst of color and flavor, or simply eat it plain as a refreshing snack. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. Your gut will thank you, your immune system will get a boost, and you'll feel more vibrant and alive with every bite. Plus, papaya is naturally low in calories and high in water content, making it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight or stay hydrated throughout the day. So, the next time your belly's feeling grumpy or you're looking for a natural way to support your digestion and overall health, reach for a papaya. Let the good vibes roll as you enjoy all the amazing benefits this tropical fruit has to offer. Whether you're eating it solo, sharing it with family, or blending it into your favorite recipes, papaya is a simple, delicious way to feel your best, inside and out. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By adding just a few servings of papaya to your weekly routine, you can support your digestion, reduce pain and inflammation, and give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. So why not give it a try? Your stomach, your taste buds, and your whole body will thank you. Embrace the power of papaya and discover a tastier, healthier way to live. Here's to happy bellies, pain-free days, and the natural goodness of papaya, your new secret weapon for wellness.